Sorry, Buddha, there was a network error because of that call has ended. So let's start it again. I start Karamu. All right. Let's start it from the beginning.
Picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's your name?
I'm Tom.
How do you spell that?
T-O-M.
Those are examples.
Are
Don't
these your
write.
photos, Tom?
Yes, they are. I have 10 photos.
10.
That's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or number.
Don't make
Who's in this
noises.
photo?
That's my friend Kim.
How do you spell her name?
It's K-I-M.
Check your answers. Everybody, please check your answers.
2.
How old is your friend?
She's 7.
How old?
7.
3.
And where do you live, Tom?
In a house in Bean Street.
I don't know that street. Can you spell it?
Yes, it's B-E-A-N.
4.
What number is your house?
It's number 20.
20?
That's right.
5.
This is me and my sister.
What's her name?
It's Pat. I can spell her name. It's P-A-T.
Well done.
All right. Shall we check the answers? අපි answers check කරමු නේද? Who's Tom's friend? Tom's friend කවුද? Who's Tom's friend? Yes, tell me the name. Kim. K-I-M. K-I-M. Kim. How old is the Tom's friend? Tom's යාළුවගේ වයස කීයද? 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Or else you can write the number. 7. Yes. Next one. Where does Tom live? කොහෙද Tom ජීවත් වෙන්නේ? Bean Street. B-E-A-N. Bean Street. B-E-A-N. Bean. Bean. Next one. What number is his house? 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Or else 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. නැත්නම් 20. Last one. What's the name of the Tom's sister? Tom's sister ke naam මොකක්ද කියන්නේ පුතේ? Pat. Answer is Pat. All right, then I hope you all have got the correct answers. හැමෝගෙම answers හරි නේද?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to part 3. And we part 3 ekata move වෙමු. This is part 3. Now write the test. Listening part 3. Listening part 3.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. Now listen and look. There is one example. What is the girl's favorite animal?
Let's go to the zoo. Okay. What's your favorite animal? The giraffes? No, not the giraffes. The elephants? No, the tigers are my favorite.
So that is the example. Answer is C. So you can
you
see.
see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Which is Ben's grandfather?
Ben, is that your grandfather in the purple shirt?
No, he's wearing a green shirt.
Has he got glasses?
No, he hasn't.
Oh, I see him now.
2. Which is Sue's bag?
Which bag is yours, Sue? The green one?
No, I don't like this colour.
Is the blue bag yours then? Blue is a nice colour.
Yes, but the red bag is mine.
Oh, the red bag is nice.
3. What is Bill having for dinner?
Is that your dinner, Bill? Are you having fish?
No, not today.
Are you having a sausage?
Yes, I'm having a sausage and peas.
4. What's Jill getting?
Jill, are you getting a new skirt? No, I'm not. Well, are you getting shoes? No, I'm getting new trousers.
5. What's the story about?
I'm reading a story.
Is it a story about playing badminton?
No, it isn't.
Well, is it a story about playing baseball?
No, it's a story about fishing.
Now listen to part 3 again. 1. Which is Ben's grandfather?
Check your answers. You can listen and
Ben?
check answers.
Is that your grandfather in the purple shirt?
No, he's wearing a green shirt.
Has he got glasses?
No, he hasn't.
Oh, I see him now.
2. Which is Sue's bag?
Which bag is yours, Sue? The green one?
No, I don't like this colour.
Is the blue bag yours then? Blue is a nice colour.
Yes, but the red bag is mine.
Oh, the red bag is nice.
3. What is Bill having for dinner?
Is that your dinner, Bill? Are you having fish?
No, not today.
Are you having a sausage?
Yes, I'm having a sausage and peas.
4. What's Jill getting?
Jill, are you getting a new skirt? No, I'm not. Well, are you getting shoes? No, I'm getting new trousers.
5. What's the story about?
I'm reading a story.
Is it a story about playing badminton?
No, it isn't.
Well, is it a story about playing baseball?
No, it's a story about fishing.
All right, I hope you all have finished writing answers. So let's check the answers. Okay, check karamu. Answers to check karamu. So which is Ben's grandfather? How the Ben Miyagi grandfather? Now tell me what is the answer. Who is the grandfather? So grandfather is Ben. He's not wearing glasses and wearing a green shirt. Next one, which is Zoo's bag? Which is Zoo's bag? Now tell me.
Red bag. Red bag.
Yes.
Red bag.
Very good. Red bag. Then answer is what? Answer is say. Answer is say. All right, question 1 answer is B. Question 2 answer is C. Right, I hope you all have finished writing answers. All right, let's move to question 3. What is Bill having for dinner? What is Bill having for dinner? Yes, sausage and peas. Very good. Answer is A, sausage and peas. Then put a tick inside A, letter A. So answer is A. Right, next one. What's Jill getting? What's Jill getting?
B.
What is the answer?
B.
B, yes.
B.
Well done. B, a trouser. Okay. Let's move to the next one. අපි ඊළඟ එක තමයි last එක පුතේ. This is the last one. So what's the story about? Now tell me, what is your answer?
Fishing. Fishing.
About fishing. Very good. Answer is
Fishing.
well done. All right. I hope you all got the question, got the correct answers. So let's move to reading and writing part 1 in test 5. Okay, then අපි part 5 එකට තමයි පුතේ ඊළඟට move වෙන්නේ. Test 5 එකේ part 1 එකට. Okay, this is the new one you want to do today. Write the topic reading and writing part 1. Reading and writing part 1. Write the topic as reading and writing part 1. Okay, then first there are 2 examples you can see. You know, in part 1, you want to read the sentence and look at the picture. If it is correct, you want to put a tick. If it is wrong, you want to put a cross. All right. Yes. Wait. I will tell you after doing these examples. I will tell you. Okay. Examples කරාට පස්සේ කියන්නම් පුතේ. එතකන් අහගන්න teacher කියන එක. Right. Reading and writing part 1. Look and read. Put a tick or a cross in the box. There are 2 examples. These are the 2 examples, Puta. So first one. This is a monkey. This is a monkey. Now tell me. Look at the picture and tell me, is this a monkey or not?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
it's a monkey. So they have already put a tick inside the box. So මේගොල්ලෝ box එක ඇතුලේ tick එකක් තියනවා as it is correct. Next one. These are carrots. These are carrots.
No.
Now tell me,
No.
what are these? What are these? මොනවාද මේ?
Tomato.
Oh, so these are not carrots because of that
Tomatoes.
they have already put a cross
Cross.
inside
Cross.
the box.
Cross.
Okay. Now we are going to start question number 1. On question number 1, tama pute start karane. Everybody should read this.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
ලියා ගන්න තෝරේද?
Yes. ඉන්න පුතේ. අපි මුලින් discuss කරාට පස්සේ teacher කියන්නම් ලියන්න ඕන. චුට්ටක් ඉන්න. teacher කියන එක අහගන්න. නැත්නම් ඔයාලා ලියන්න ගත්තාම අහගෙන ඉන්න. First listen to teacher. මුලින් teacher කියන එක අහගෙන ඉන්න. නැත්නම් ලියන්න ගත්තාම teacher කියන එක ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියන එකනේ කරන්නේ. First discuss, then write. Okay, මුලින් discuss කරලා ඊළඟට අපි ලියන්න ගමු. All right, then let's start. This is a desk. Yeah, start with
Desk.
This is
No.
a desk. This is a desk. Now look at the picture. මේ තියෙන desk එකක්ද?
Chair.
No.
Chair.
That is not a
Chair.
desk, that is a chair. All right. Then what we want to put here? මොකක්ද අපි මෙතන දැන් දාන්නේ?
Cross.
Yes, we want to put a cross. Very good. We want to put a cross. දැන් ලියන්න පුතේ question එක ලියා ගන්න. 1 කියලා දාලා question එක ලියා ගන්න. This is not a desk, so we want to put a cross inside the box. All right, have you all finished?
Yes.
This is a desk. Then answer is what? It's a cross. Then answer is cross එකක් පුතේ. All right, let's move to question 2. This is question 2. This is question 2. Let's start that. This is a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. This is a teacher. Now tell me, is this a teacher or not? Is this a
Yes.
teacher or not? Yes, she's a teacher.
Yes.
Very good. Then answer is what? You want to put a tick. Yes, now write the answer. This is a teacher. Yes, then you should put a tick. Okay, next one. Read the next sentence. කියවන්න පුතා.
This is a television.
Yes, this is a television. Now look at the picture. Tell me, what is this? මේ මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ පුතේ? Is that a television? Is this a television? No, that is not a television. That is a telephone. So that is wrong. Because of that, we want to put a cross. Okay, next sentence. Read the next sentence. These donkeys. Donkeys means බූරුවෝ කියන එක. Sorry, are these donkeys? මේ ඉන්නේ බූරුවන්ද? Are these donkeys? No, they are not. They are not donkeys. They are monsters. So what is the answer you want to put here? You want to put a cross. They are not donkeys. They are donkeys la නෙමෙයි. They are not donkeys. All right, let's move to next question. අපි ඊළඟ එකට යමු. This is the last one. So this is a lamp. Yes,
Lamp.
this is a lamp. Now tell me, is that a lamp or not? Lamp එකක්ද නැද්ද?
Yes.
Yes, it's a lamp. නේද? ලාම්පුව. Then it's a lamp. Answer is what? Answer is a tick. All right, let's move to part 2. This is reading and writing part 2. On the reading and writing part 2 එකට යන්න හැමෝම topic එක ලියා ගන්න. Reading and writing part 2 as reading and writing part 2. So you can see many animals are here and you want to look and read right yes or no. හොඳට read බලලා read කරලා ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? Yes or no කියලා answers දාන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay, let's start. Now look at the picture. You can see three crocodiles. මොකද්ද? ඉන්න මුලින් teacher explain කරනකන් ඉන්න පුතේ. teacher explain කළා කියන්නම් ලියන්න ඕනේද නැද්ද කියලා. මුලින් teacher කියන එක අහගන්න අනිත් වැඩ ටික නවත්තලා ඊට පස්සේ ඉවරුනාම කියන්නම් ලියන්න ඕනේද නැද්ද කියලා. All right? Okay. අහගෙන ඉන්න teacher කියන එක අහගෙන ඉන්න අනිත් වැඩ නවත්තලා. So look at this picture. All right. You can see 3 crocodiles. How many crocodiles are here? How many crocodiles? Yes,
3
3
crocodiles.
Crocodiles la 3 denek innawa. Very good. 3 crocodiles. Next one, you can see there is an elephant inside a cage. That is white elephant. There, that is a white elephant. Next one, there are 2 mice inside a cage. Mice means Mio. Mio දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා පුතේ මෙන්න මේ cage එක ඇතුලේ. So next one, there are a lot of birds singing in the tree. නේද? tree එක ඇතුලේ ගොඩක් birds ලා ඉන්නවා. මේ පේනවා නේද? එයාලා sing කරනවා. sing කියන්නේ සින්දු කියනවා. So there is a girl sitting and there is a boy looking at the elephant. So these are the things you can see in this picture. All right. Now they have already given 2 examples. Examples දෙකක් දීලා තියෙනවා පුතේ. The boy is looking at the elephant. The boy is looking at the elephant. Now look at the boy. Boy කියන කෙනා මෙතන පිරිමි ළමයා බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. Looking කියන්නේ බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා at the elephant. Elephant කියන්නේ අලියා දිහා. At the elephant. So yes or no? Answer is yes. ඔව් පිරිමි ළමයා බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා අලියාගේ දිහා. Next one. The girl is sitting under the tree. Now can you see a tree here? Tree එකක් තියනවද?
No.
tree එකක් නෑ නේද? A girl is sitting under the tree. Under the tree කියන්නේ ගසක් යට ගැහැණු ළමෙක් ඉඳගෙන ඉන්නවා. So you can't see a tree here. මෙතන tree එකක් නෑ. What is the answer? Answer is no. Answer is snow. Answer is no. No කියලා තමයි අපි පුතේ answer එක දෙන්නේ. All right. Now first question. Read the question. Everybody should read it. හැමෝම read කරන්න ඕනේ. The animals at the zoo
are
sleeping. The animals at the zoo are sleeping. Is that true? Animals la ඔක්කොම නිදිලු මේ zoo එකේ ඉන්න. Is that true? No, they are not sleeping. ඔක්කොම හැරලා ඉන්නේ නේද? They are not sleeping. Then answer is what? Answer is no. දැන් ඔන්න sentence එක ලියා ගන්න හැමෝම. Sentence එක ලියා ගන්න පුතේ දැන්. දැන් sentences ටික අපි මුලින් ලියා ගමු එහෙනම්. Because it takes a little bit time. ප්‍රශ්න ලියා
ගන්න ඕනේද?
ප්‍රශ්න ටික ලියා ගන්න පුතේ. ඔයාලට ගෙදරදී කියවන්න පුළුවන් මේ ටික එතකොට. ප්‍රශ්න ටික ලියා ගන්න. Okay, while you all are doing that, I am going to take your attendance. Attendance පුතේ ගන්නවා. ඉන්න අය present ma'am කියලා කියන්න.
අක පේන්නේ
Okay.
The mice are.
Okay, now tell me the names. Names මං කියනවා පුතේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ present කියලා කියන්න හොඳේ. Miheli Akenya. Miheli Akenya.
Teacher.
Okay. Isula Mentosa.
Present teacher.
Betum Sanket.
Present teacher.
Sitika Visal. Nikiri Malinsa. Nikiri Malinsa.
Yes.
Okay.
Present teacher.
Manuja Tejan. Manuja Tejan. Manuja.
Present ma'am.
Okay.
Present ma'am.
Inushi Sanaya.
Yes.
Inushi Sanaya. Inushi. Induvara Udana De Silva. Induvara Udana De Silva. Rishmi Sidangana. Metmi Hasana. Metmi Hasana.
Present ma'am.
Okay.
Simple.
All right. Have you all finished? Okay. Let's start. Nanepa. ගෙදර ඇත් එක්ක කතා කරනකොට මියුට් කරලා කතා කරන්න. All right. Okay, let's start. The animals at the zoo are sleeping. That is the answer. What is the answer? No. Next one. There are 3 crocodiles. Now look at the picture and tell me there are 3 crocodiles. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
What's the answer? Answer is Puta, yes. Answer is yes. There are 3 crocodiles. Next one. The mice are eating tomatoes. The mice are eating tomatoes.
No.
Are they eating tomatoes? No,
No.
they are not eating tomatoes. Then
No.
answer is no. Next one. What is the next one? There are 3 girls in the picture. Are there 3 girls in this picture? No, only 2 girls. 1, 2.
No.
2 girls in a pute.
2 girls.
No. Next one is the last one. Make a antima sentence. The birds on the tree are singing. The birds on the tree are singing.
Yes.
Yes, they are singing. Answer is yes. So I hope you all have written the answers. Have you written the answers?
Yes. Teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Then let's start to write dictation. Take your dictation books. Okay, continue. Others, get ready to do the dictation. Anita, dictation books kanna. So today you have at the beach. At the beach එක තමයි අද තියෙන්නේ කරන්න. Don't shout පුතා කෑ ගහන්න එපා. Okay, shall we start to write dictation? Dictation start කරමුද? Okay, then take your writing books and get ready for dictation. හැමෝම writing books ටික අරගෙන පුතේ dictation ලියන්න ready වෙන්න.
Okay.
Okay. So today we are going to do at the beach. At the beach කියන lesson එක තමයි අද කරන්නේ අපි. So first one is hit a ball. Number 1, hit a ball. Don't shout. මොකද? මොකද පුතේ? ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ නුෂි. I can't hear you. Number 1, dictation. Number 1, hit a ball. Hit a ball. Hit a ball. Number 2, baseball. Number 2, baseball. Baseball. Next one, table tennis. Table tennis. Table tennis. Next one, walk. Next one, walk. Ball. Fifth one, paint. 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 Painting. Next one, painting. Painting. Oh, what's in the cup? Paint, painting. Paint, painting. Dekak puta wachana. Dekak vidira liyana. Next one, fishing. 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 Next one, sing a song. Sing a song. Next one, piano. 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 Next one, camera. Next one, camera. 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 Next one, take a photo. Take a photo. Take a photo. Take a photo. Next one, jump. 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 පුතේ front में spell කරන්න එපා අනිත් පැයට ඇහෙනවා. Next one, kick a ball. Kick a ball.
Kick a ball දුන්නනේ ටීචර් පළවෙනියටම.
පළවෙනියටම දුන්නේ පුතේ hit a ball. Hit. මේක kick a ball. Kick. Kick a ball. Next one, sand. 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 Next one, throw a ball. 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 Next one, catch a ball. Catch a ball. Catch a ball. Next one, tennis. 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 Next one, swim. 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 Next one, sun. 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 Next one, shell. 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 Next one, kite. 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 Next one, badminton. Badminton. All right. That's all. පුතේ next week ඔයගලන්ට තියෙන එක ටීචර් පෙන්නන්නම්. Next week වලට lessons දෙකක් study කරගන්න වෙනවා. මොනවාද දෙක? My street. My street එකේ පුතේ words තියෙනවා 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. හරිද? My street. My street එකේ 12 තියෙනවා. ඊළඟට තියෙනවා පුතේ young learners. Young learners කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ names ටික. Alex, Grace, Dan, Jill, Sam, Anna, Kim, Sue and Tom, Ben, Lucy and Tony, Bill, May, Pat and Dan, Nick. එතකොට all together පුතේ words තියෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට 28. දවස් 6ක් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට ඊළඟ දවස වෙද්දී සතියක් ඉඳලානේ next Saturday එන්නේ. එතකොට දවසට 4 words ගානේ study කරගන්න. Right? 4 නෙමෙයි 5 words ගානේ study කරගන්න පුළුවන්නේ. හැමෝටම නිවාඩු තියෙන හින්දා මේ දවස්වල you can learn it. You can study it at home. මතකයි නේද හැමෝටම? All right. So now you want to do is what? You want to send a picture to the group. Last week එකේ ඒවා check කරන්න තියනවා පුතේ. මම ඒ ටික දැන් check කරන්න. අද ඒවත් group එකට එවන්න. Dictation words ටික. Okay. So do you have any questions to ask from teacher about the session that we did today? අද මොන හරි කරපු එක
lesson එක පෙවුනා teacher.
මොකද පුතේ?
reading and writing part 1 එක පෙන්නුනා teacher. reading and writing part 2 එක පෙන්නුනා teacher.
මේකේ photograph එකක් ගහගන්න පුතේ.
data නැතිව.
හරි. මේකේ photo එකක් ගහගන්න කියන අම්මට. හරි. මේ තියෙන part 2 එක.
teacher.
මොකද
ටීචර් ඩික්ටේෂන් ටික පෙන්නනවාද?
දෙන්නම් මිස්. ඉනුෂි පුතේ අම්මට කියන්න පුතේ මේකේ photo එකක් ගහගන්න කියලා. Take a photograph of this.
ගාගත්ත teacher.
හරිද පුතේ? All right. දැන් dictation ලියාගත්තු නැති අය ඉන්නවා නම් එයාලත් මේක බලා ගන්න. සමහර අය absent නම් එයාලට pictures නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. My street හැමෝම වගේ paste කරලා ඇති absent නම් තමයි නැති වෙන්නේ. My street සිතුවේගේ නැද්ද? හරි words ටික දාගන්න words ටික. My street.
All right.
Young learners නැති අය ඉන්නවද? Young learners words ටික මේ තියෙන්නේ. බලන්න ඔයාලගේ තියනවද නැද්ද කියලා හැමෝම. Okay.
Hi. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Right. තව ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද පුතේ? නැති අය ඉන්නවද?
young learners. teacher young learners ආයි පොඩ්ඩක් දාන්නකෝ.
Young learners. Okay. Right. These are the words පුතා. Young learners.
okay.
Okay. Right. තව ඉන්නවද පුතේ? Do you have any questions? තව ප්‍රශ්න තියන අය ඉන්නවද? Okay. Then I'm going to end the session for today. See you next day. Study well. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye, teacher.